everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be guiding you through a quick and simple process on how to change your password for DoorDash.com account. If you're looking for a way to update your password for security reasons on DoorDash, then here's how you can do it. First of all, open a web browser and go to DoorDash.com, type it in inside the URL box and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official web page for DoorDash. Also make sure that you are logged into your DoorDash account by entering your correct credentials. Once you're signed into your DoorDash account, click on the menu button appearing at the top left-hand corner. Now in the expanded menu, click on the account tab and then right next to profile at the top, click on Change Password. In order to set up your new password, you'll first need to type in your current password for your DoorDash account in the first text box. Once you are done, head over to the next field and type in the new password you are trying to update to. Re-enter the new password in the next field and make sure to use these criteria mentioned below in order to create a strong password. Once you are done, click on Change My Password button at the bottom and then you will be able to change your DoorDash account's password. Next time signing into your account, you will need to enter the newly created password. So that's how easily you can change your password for your DoorDash account within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.